Shopify store that's selling $1.7 million a month selling bidets. So I'm going to dig into the apps that they're using to increase average order value, to increase conversion rates, and to increase lifetime value of their users. So let's dive right in. This one here is the Tushy. It's a bidet, and you can see that they have multiple products here. The Tushy Spa 3.0, Tushy Classic 3.0 at 18,000 5-star reviews. So let's actually take a look at this and take a look at their PDP. Pretty classic PDP with different variations here. Really good to see that they have the bundles. So one bidet for $175, two bidets for $29 off, and then a bidet and stool for $9 off. And the first thing that I noticed here is actually this is a shoppable UGC ad, and the app that they're using is Tolstoy. So you can see they have Tolstoy here has a demo store, and you can see that this is exactly what you see from the Tushy PDP. So you can click through and actually watch these videos, and so that's a great way to get people to interact with your site, and just overall video sells much better than images, so you can actually see the product in action. So that's one app that they're using that's really increasing conversion rates. Another one that they're using is Akendo reviews. So this is all the way down here. You can see lots of reviews. You just want to make sure that, similar to on Amazon, when people are making purchases, right, that you want to show them all your 5-star reviews. So lots of pretty short 5-star reviews here, very recent, verified reviewer, or like everything that you want in a review. So this is Akendo Reviews and Loyalty. So it looks like they're just using this for reviews so far. And this definitely helps with increasing conversion rate as well. Now, in terms of other apps that they're using to increase lifetime value, one thing that's difficult about this specific product is once you've purchased the bidet, it's most likely you won't need to purchase another one. So let's say you have 3 washrooms in your house, you purchase 3 bidets already. Unless a bidet breaks down or you're moving to a new house, you're not purchasing another bidet anytime soon. But there are consumable products that you can sell that's complementary to bidets that people will consume, and then if they subscribe, they can actually continue to buy, and you can increase the lifetime value of that customer. So here they have this fragrance bundle, and they have this subscribe and save app that they're using. It's called Rebuy. So Rebuy will recommend additional products that you can subscribe to, and this way you're getting additional income and revenue every month from these users and customers who most likely wouldn't have purchased another bidet. So this is a great way to increase lifetime value of existing customers and just push your LTV higher. And if you have a higher LTV, you're going to be able to afford a higher acquisition cost as well. In terms of other things that increases lifetime value and AOV are gifts. So one thing that they're using is using merch to increase their lifetime value. So these are really cool t-shirts and hats with interesting text on them. And the way that they're doing this is through Printful. So they don't want to be holding a bunch of inventory in their warehouse, with multiple sizes and SKUs of these t-shirts. But it's very easy to just use a print-on-demand app to be able to basically print these whenever somebody buys a t-shirt. So this could add additional LTV to existing customers, and also something that, if somebody loves the Tushy, you can actually get them to buy additional merch, and they're actually selling your product for you. So this is another way to increase lifetime value of a customer, increase just overall average order value as well. And another thing is they do have a loyalty program as well. So this means that the more that you buy, the more that you save over time. And the way that they're doing that is through Smile Loyalty. So it's a great way to give points to your existing customers, referrals. So this just really helps with getting that virality. So especially with referrals, if you have a happy customer, they can refer and get some money. And once they have some money, they'll have to buy something else. And some of these consumables could be a good way to get them to re-engage. And then lastly, they also have Gorgeous Here, which is a support kind of AI chatbot. So this just helps with conversion rate as well. It's great for FAQs, and then if things aren't working well, you can actually chat with a live human being, and that's just Gorgeous Here. It's something that's really AI powered and should help with customer service. So that's a quick breakdown of the apps that Tushy is using to help with AOV, conversion rates, and lifetime value. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments below, and I'll get back to you.